As of February 26, 2025, the cryptocurrency market is experiencing notable fluctuations influenced by recent events and policy changes. Market movements. Bitcoin's decline. Bitcoin's value has fallen below $90,000, erasing gains made since President Donald Trump's inauguration. The decline is attributed to geopolitical uncertainties, a significant hack involving $1.5 billion in Ethereum from Bybit, and concerns over U.S. trade policies. Ethereum's sharp drop. Ethereum has experienced a more pronounced decline, dropping 24% since January 20, 2025. The downturn is linked to the Bybit security breach and broader market apprehensions. Institutional developments. Citadel Securities enters crypto market. Citadel Securities plans to become a market maker in the cryptocurrency sector, aiming to provide liquidity on global exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. This move signifies a shift from the firm's previous cautious stance on cryptocurrencies. Regulatory and political influences. U.S. policy shifts. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has unveiled plans to overhaul rules for the cryptocurrency sector, contributing to market volatility. U.S. policy shifts. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has unveiled plans to overhaul rules for the cryptocurrency sector, contributing to market volatility. Libra scandal in Argentina. Argentine President Javier Milei promoted a cryptocurrency project called Libra, which experienced a severe price drop shortly after. The incident has led to allegations of a rug pull scam and political controversy. These developments underscore the dynamic and rapidly evolving nature of the cryptocurrency market, influenced by technological, institutional, and political factors.